Wala sila sa atin. Oh, aga natin ah.
Ano yung may birthday? Wala.
Nasaan na yung my birthday?
Saan ka nag-party na rin?
Doon sa load.
Oo.
Ikaw?
Diyan. Pero sa baba lang ako.
Ah,
Hindi na akin.
doon.
ULEZ is okay. Congestion is the only one. Because your car is ULEZ.
Okay.
You having breakfast, coffee, buddy, with the cream.
Let's chill, you know.
At the
King
cream.
and Castle.
I'm waiting for the king. The king is asleep at the moment because he was drunk last night.
Yeah, you drank too much.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's your second coffee.
Yes.
Yeah. And the 910 card is on 16.
Cheers.
There is a changes now with the pension
Thank
scheme.
you.
Huh? Go to your